So here we have the Mercedes A180 Sport Automatic on a 15 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But from the outside you'll see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the boot we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space as well. Work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's a lovely looking car and in really great condition as well. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get half leather trim. There's plenty to run from the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side we've got the speedometer, on the right-hand side we've got the rev counter, and in the middle on the trip computer you can see at the moment it's displaying a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change information as it's displayed on there using the buttons on the steering wheel. One of those bits of information will be the total miles on the car, which are 22,414. Underneath that it will show you what gear the car is currently in. As it's an automatic, we're in park. The gears on this car are changed on this right-hand stalk just here. Backing out to the steering wheel, the arrows I was using a moment ago for the trip computer are these on the left, and on the right hand side we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So if you hit that button, it will dial anyone in your contacts list for you. That is of course once you paired your phone, which is done on this central screen over here. You can see it says telephone up there. Audio, there's a lot of different radio stations and radio types you can listen to on this car. So it's got FM and AM radio, as well as, if we go down to FM, AM, FM, medium wave and shortwave radio. You've also got the ability to stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, and there's a USB input on top of that. And as well as that, this car has got satellite navigation, which you can see on the screen just there. So everything I'm doing with regards to the screen is all being controlled using this dial. So I can twist it, I can jog it over to the left, the right, up or down, depending on what menu we're on and where we want to be. And you can also go back a step as well. That in conjunction with the main stereo unit here, which has got the kind of main buttons for the radio, satellite navigation, phone, etc. This button is for the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel when you're stationary. You can turn that off should you wish to. And then beneath that we've got the climate control. So you adjust the temperature on the left hand side of the car, fan speed on the right, and then this button will turn the air conditioning on. Within this cubbyhole we have a 12-volt charging socket, and then all the way back in the central armrest at the bottom there we've got the USB input. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.